Hey, Mobile Glass here, doing a windshield chip repair on a Porsche Cayenne. My first Porsche Cayenne, so this is kind of cool. It's a very, very small chip. You can see right there, right in the center. These are really wide windshields, so it's kind of hard to get to. But it looks like this one I'll be able to do without drilling, which is always preferred. So I'm just going to keep cleaning out right where the rock impacted. And I'll be right back and I'll show you once we get the bridge assembly set up and start injecting it with the resin. Alright, we have the bridge assembly set up. I did not inject any resin yet. I'm going to use this Diamond V. It's a thinner, lower viscosity, or excuse me, higher viscosity. So it's going to be a little thinner. It's going to help get it to flow into the crack better. When there's larger damage, it's the, larger area for the resin to flow through, so thicker resin can be used. One of the professional tips or tricks to the trade is you can't use just one resin. There is a kind of universal resin for most brakes, but when you get into really wanting to have a good result, depending on the way that the glass is cracked, you have to use different resins, and just something that you learn over time which ones are going to be best in different situations. So we're going to use this Diamond V, and I'll be right back showing after we get it to fill in. I came back here because I wanted to show, should have showed you this from the inside before we inject the resin and have the bridge on there. It's just a very small chip, so it's hard for it to look much different than it did before we showed up. But I'll catch that on the next one. Alright, I'll show you the finished result. We found a couple other just little pits, little divots. Didn't actually crack the glass, but I'm going to go ahead and put the pit filler in there and try to make them look a little bit better than they did. And if we go from the inside here, you'll see with the small ones, you can still see them, but it definitely looks better than it did. I don't know if you can make that out. Yep, there we go. So just slightly visible. So there's your windshield repair on a Porsche Cayenne. Hopefully, if you call, you have a little bit more damage than that. Those aren't that much fun. I want a challenge, so give us a holler. Thanks for watching.